You can start off with the prayer, Nitya ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, switch on your video and start.
yes. Jai Gurudev children, happy morning. I hope you all are happy and safe at home. Yes, yes. Today we will start our day with prayer. So children, kindly mute your audio and video and repeat after ma'am. Yes. Now join your palms, close your eyes and repeat after ma'am. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sasha, Parabrahma, Dashmashri, Guruve Namaha, Saraswati, Namastupyam, Varude, Kamarubini, Vidyarambam, Bhavatu Me Sada. Jai Gurudev children. Yes. Now, children, today, if anybody is celebrating your birthday, you can just put in your chat box. Jai Gurudev, kindly mute your audio and video, children. Your audio and video, children. Yes. If anyone is celebrating your birthday, you can type it in chat box. Is anybody celebrating your birthday today or Saturday or Sunday? You can type it chat box. Okay, children. We will move on to the next activity. Yes. Here comes our friend Chotu. Chotu is here. Very happy on seeing you all. Yes, Chotu? Yes. Good morning, everyone. Jai Gurudev. I am happy to see you all. Yes. Yes, we'll continue the class. Okay. Yes. Today we are going to do our first activity. Our first activity is calendar update. Our first activity is calendar update. We are in the year 2020. We are in the year 2020 and we are in the month July. We are in the month July. July is the seventh month of the year. July is the seventh month of the year. And today is Friday. Today is Friday. 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 And today date is 10/7/2020. 10/7/2020. 10th July 2020. Yes. Children, now we will update the months of the year. You have already learned. Yes. Now you're going to repeat after ma'am with action. Yes, children. Yes. Children, there are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. January, January, February, February, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, and December, and December. Student, kindly mute your audio and video. Yes, thank you. Next, we are going to update our weeks of the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday. Children, kindly repeat after ma'am. Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. And Saturday. And Saturday. Yes. Next, we are going to update our weather. Yes. Children, look outside your window. Look outside your window and see for yourself whether it's sunny, whether it's sunny, or whether it's windy, whether it's windy, or whether it's rainy, whether it's rainy, or whether it's cloudy, whether it's cloudy. Children, post your answer in the chat box. Yes, I can see so many hands. Yes. Next, we will move on to moral values. Moral values are the good manners. Yes. Already we have learned two magical words. Do you remember? Yes. It's thank you and I'm sorry. Do you remember, children? Two moral values. Already we have learned thank you and I'm sorry. So when you will use the word thank you, when your parents or your friends or anyone give you some gift, in return you have to say thank you. You have to say thank you. And when you did any mistake, your mommy will be hurt, right? Then you have to say I am sorry. I am sorry. Yes. Next, today we are going to learn next two words. Already you have learned. Yes, yesterday we learned, right? Parameshwar ma'am has told you. Yes. The two words are excuse me and please. Excuse me and please. Children, when you use excuse me, when you want to speak with your mummy, but your mummy is speaking with someone, what you will do? You will go and mummy, 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 mummy. You will call, right? Mummy, 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 mummy. You will disturb. You should not do that. Just go to your mummy and excuse me, mummy. I want to talk to you. You have to say, excuse me, mummy. I want to talk to you. Yes, children. I hope you will follow this. Okay. And next, please, if you find if you find something from your friend, someone is having something and you want to see it, if you want to see it, you can just ask, please, can you please give me? I'll see it. See for this. You can ask, can you please give it to me? I'll just see for it. Yes, you can use the word please. When you want something from someone or from your parents or grandparents, you can use the word please. Children, I hope you will use all the four magical words. Yes, you will use all the four magical words with your parents, grandparents, and friends. Yes. Next, we'll move on to our session. Yeah, we are in block 2, and Yasmin ma'am is there to take you. Yasmin ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you,
Yes,
Nitya, ma'am.
over to Yasmin ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Is my video visible? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Jai Gurudev, children. How are you all? Yes, I hope you are all happy and safe, isn't it? Yes. This week we were seeing about five senses, isn't it? Yes. So we are at the end of this week. We are in block 2, my five senses. Okay. So already we have learned four senses. What are they? Sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, and sense of taste. Isn't it? We have learned 4 senses. Yes, today the 5th sense and last sense of touch. We are going to learn about sense of touch. We are in read and write period. So we are going to learn sense of touch. Ma'am is having some rhymes for you. And today we are going to enter into the next stroke and recap of Vishal's story. Okay, children? Yes, we will move on to the class now. Yes. Sense of touch. Which organ is used to touch, children? Which body part we are using to touch? Hands, isn't it? We use our hands to touch. Touch for yourself. Children, touch for yourself. Yes, you can touch for yourself. You can touch anything that is near your near you. See, I am touching cup. I am touching. How you are touching? You can touch your grandma. You can touch your father, mother. How you are touching? Which body part helps us to touch? Hands. Hands. Hands helps us to touch and feel. Touch and feel. Okay. So ma'am will show you different types of touch and feel textures. Okay. You're all going to listen. The first one is soft touch. The first one is soft touch. Okay. So I hope you're all having teddy bear dolls at home. Okay. Yes, you can take your teddy bear dolls. After the class is over, you can do and see. Okay. Now ma'am will show you. You listen. Okay, children. So ma'am I have no dolls with me. I'm having cotton. What is this? Cotton. Okay. You touch the cotton. How do you feel? Soft. Isn't it? See, it's very soft. Okay. Cotton is soft. You have your soft toy. Isn't it? Our Totu is also soft toy. That is also when you touch the doll, you will feel soft. How you feel, children? Soft. Repeat after ma'am. Soft. Okay. This is soft touch. Flowers will be soft. Okay. See, ma'am is circling the flower. When you touch the flower, how the flower will be? Soft. Vishal used to touch the dog, isn't it? He used to touch the dog's fur. He had a pet dog. Yesterday, ma'am, I've told you the story. How the hair will be? Soft. Feathers. Birds have feathers, no? How the feathers will be? Soft. Okay, this is soft touch. Next touch is hard touch. Hard. Repeat after me. Hard. 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 I hope you're all repeating after ma'am. Isn't it? The ma'am is having stone. What is this? Stone. Is a stone is soft? No, you cannot break the stone. See, hard. This hard. This is hard touch. So you cannot break this. See how hard it is. What? Okay, stone with what are the things that are so hard? I have posted you in on your screen. See here, log. Can you see the log? Big tree, bark of the tree. Okay, log, that will be very hard. Then screws. See, ma'am is circling. Log. So log will be very hard. Then screws. Do you know screw, children? For TV or for instrument, mom, daddy will use screws, nuts. All those things will be hard. Hard. Yes. So we have learned soft. We have learned hard. The next one on your screen is, so we have learned soft. We have learned hard. The next picture is Suganya ma'am, next screen. Yes. So next one is smooth. Smooth. Children, I want you to repeat the word what Yasmin ma'am is saying. Okay. Smooth. Smooth. Next touch is smooth. See, ma'am is having mirror here. Ma'am is having mirror. What is this mirror? You will see your face with your mirror, isn't it? You have big mirror also at home. Okay. So you go and after the class is over, you go and touch it. Okay. You touch the mirror, it will be smooth. Smooth. Then pebbles. Okay. So touch the pebbles, it will be smooth. So ma'am is having juice glass. See here. If you touch the juice glass, how you feel? Smooth. Smooth. Isn't it, children? Yes. Okay, jelly, your favorite jelly. Have you touched the jelly? Jelly will be very smooth. It will be going here and there. No? Jelly will be smooth. Yes. So we have learned soft. Next slide, Suganya. You have learned soft. You have learned hard. And we have learned smooth. Okay. The next one is, and the next one on your screen, rough. What's next? Rough. Rough. I want you to repeat, children. Rough. 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 Yes. What is how you feel rough? What is this? Can you see this? Mama used to wash the vessel, no? Mama used to wash the vessel with this scrubber. What is this? Mama used to wash the vessel. Have you seen in the kitchen? After the class is over, you go and see it. Okay. Scrubber. Touch. You go and touch touch it and see. Okay. It will be rough. Rough touch. See how it is. Rough. Okay. Rope. You have rope. In your home, if you have rope, you touch the rope and see. It will be rough. Mommy will give jute bags as your lunch bag. You touch that lunch bag and see. It will be rough. Sand. Have you played in sand? In school, you have played in the park. Mommy would have taken you to the park. There you have touched the sand. How the sand will be? Rough. Rough. Yes. We have learned soft, hard, smooth, rough. What is the next one? I hope you all know this. Hot. You all know what is hot, isn't it? What is this? What ma'am is showing? Fire. Can you see this? Fire. Will you touch this? No, it will be hot, isn't it? Hot, hot. Must not touch it. And mama's lighting the candle. When mama lights the diya in the puja room. No, it will be hot, isn't it? Hot. What feel is this? Hot. Hot. When mommy and daddy are drinking coffee, how the cup will be? Be hot, no? Ma, sududhu. Amma சூடா இருக்கு. You will say all those things, isn't it? Amma சூடா இருக்கு. You will say no? Hot. What is that? Hot. Yes. We have seen the sun is hot, you know. When the day is sunny day, how the sun will be? Hot. Amma, switch on the AC. It's very hot, mummy. Summer season, mummy. Hot, mummy. You will say, no? That is the hot feeling. Okay? Yes. We have seen soft. I want you to repeat it, children. Soft, hard, smooth, rough, hot. Okay? Which one your favorite? Ah, cold. See, ma'am is having ice water. Yes, have you touched the ice water? See, it is very cold. When you're in the summer season, you will drink ice water, juices, milkshakes, isn't it? Then in your fridge, mommy will have ice cubes. Have you touched the ice cubes? Ice katti kudunga mummy, you will be asking, no? Have you touched the ice cubes? So it will be very cold, chill. How you feel when you touch it? Chill. Very cold. Amma chillin இருக்குமா? Amma chillin இருக்குமா? You will say, no? Yes. Snow. See, ma'am is circling the igloo picture. Igloo. What is the picture name? Igloo. Igloo is made up of snow. Snow. What's snow? Snow is ice. Have you seen snow? Yes, white color. It will be in white color. Ice, ice. Yes. So this is cold touch. Okay, children? Cold. Ice cream, your favorite ice cream. How the ice cream will be? Very chill and cold, isn't it? Yes, and the next one. Yes, and the next one on your screen is. The last one on your screen is sticky. Sticky, sticky. Yes. What is this? Mom is having something for you. Can you see this? What is this? Gum. This is gum. Can you see this? Sticky, sticky. See this? It's sticking in Mam's finger. Can you see this? What touches this? Sticky. Sticky. See? Gum. Gum is sticky. You see this, children? Sticky, sticky. Yes. So, I have oil for you. Mama will apply oil in your hair, isn't it? So, the oil also will be sticky. See? Sticky, sticky. We have done an activity. Do you remember clay activity? Do you remember clay activity? Yes. After we made the cat, how was our hands? Our hands were sticky, isn't it? So this is sticky. When you eat your favorite candies, when you eat the chocolate, when you eat some chocolates or candies, how it will be? How your mouth will be? Sticky, sticky, no? Candyman chocolate, coffee bite. When you eat all this chocolate, how your mouth will be? Sticky. அப்படியே ஒட்டும்ல வாயில அப்படியே ஒட்டும் தானே chocolate. Sticky. Sticky. Yes? Yes. I'll wipe my hands, okay? With the waste cloth. With the waste cloth, you have to wipe your hands after you touch all these things. So, honey. I hope you all love honey, children. So, after the class is over, get honey from mummy and touch it and see. Okay? You will feel sticky. You will feel that it is sticky. Yes. I hope we have learned all the touches. Isn't it, children? We have touched all the textures. We have yes, I have shown you soft. I've shown you hard things. We have learned soft touch, hard touch, hot, cold. Yes, sticky. We have touched the gum sticky, smooth. Isn't it? Yes, I hope you all understood. After the class is over, get the things from your parents. Parents, give them what are all the available things at home and ask them to touch and see, touch and feel it. Thank you, children. Now, Nitya ma'am is waiting for you with rhymes. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nitya ma'am.
Thank you, Yasmin ma'am. Yes, children, now it's time for rhyme. You all like rhymes, isn't it? Yes, now we will sing a rhyme. Ma'am is going to sing for you, and you're going to repeat after ma'am by muting your audio and video. Yes, children. Yes. You all know the five sense of rhymes. Five sense rhymes. Yes. 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 On my face, I have two eyes. Have two eyes. Have two eyes. On my face, I have two eyes. Use them to see. Yes, I'll repeat once again. On my face, I have two eyes. Have two eyes. Have two eyes. On my face, I have two eyes. Use them to see. Next. On my face, I have two ears. Have two ears. Have two ears. On my face, I have two ears. I use them to hear. I'll repeat once again. On my face, I have two ears. Have two ears. Have two ears. On my face, I have two ears. I use them to hear. And next. On my face, I have one nose. Have one nose. Have one nose. On my face, I have one nose. Use it to smell. Yes, I'll repeat once again. On my face, I have one nose. Have one nose. Have one nose. On my face I have one nose. I use it to smell. Wow. Next, in my mouth I have one tongue. Have one tongue. Have one tongue. In my mouth I have one tongue. Use it to taste. I'll repeat 1 second, children. In my mouth I have one tongue, have one tongue, have one tongue. In my mouth I have one tongue. Use it to taste. Last one. On my hand I have fingers. Have 5 fingers. Have 5 fingers. On my hand I have 5 fingers. Use it to touch. I'll repeat 1 second, children. On my hand I have 5 fingers, 5 fingers, 5 fingers. On my hand I have 5 fingers. I use them to touch. You have to touch and feel. Yes, yes. Next, yeah, we'll move on to the next section. Then, I hope you all got your picture dictionary book. Yes, in picture dictionary book, you have to read page number 10 and 11. After the class is over, you have got 2 days of holidays, right? So you can read the keywords at your home from the book Picture Dictionary, page number 10 and 11. Okay, children, open your pointer finger and keep your pointer finger on the word and read it. Parents, please help them to read the words. Yes. And next, now, ma'am will repeat
Next,
the keywords. Sorry, ma'am.
no, Nitya ma'am, sorry. Suganya ma'am, circle the word so that the teacher will
Yes.
read twice.
Yes, ma'am. Now, ma'am is going to read the keywords and you're going to repeat after ma'am by muting your audio and video. It's visible on the screen. Yes. Now, ma'am is going to read the words and you're going to repeat after ma'am. The first word is sense. First word is sense. Next, see. Next word is see. And the next word, hear. The next word, hear. And the next word, taste. Taste. The next word, touch. The next word is touch. And the next word, listen. The next word is listen. And the next word is nose. Nose. And the next word is tongue. Tongue. Children, kindly mute your audio, children. Yes. And the next word, eyes. Eyes. And the next word, hand. Hand. The next one, ears. Ears. The last word is feel. Feel. When you touch, you'll be able to feel it, right? Feel. Yes.
Next,
Next, we are going to do this practice strokes. We are going to, sorry, students. Next, we have one more keyboard also. Yes. Kindly repeat after ma'am. Circle. Circle. Circle.
hey, Reels.
Yes. And the next word is square. 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 The last word is triangle. 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 Children, kindly mute your audio.
Parents, the session is being recorded. Kindly mute your audio and video. Thank you.
Triangle. Triangle. Yes. Now we will move on to strokes. We are going to practice strokes. Yes. Already we have learned standing line. Children, you remember? Standing line, sleeping line, and right slanting line. Right slanting line. Today, we are going to practice new stroke. We are going to learn new stroke, that is left slanting line. Left slanting line. Children, raise your right hand. Children, raise your right hand. Open your pointer finger. Open your pointer finger. And from left top, you have to draw a slanting line in air. From left top to right bottom. From left top to right bottom. From left top to right bottom. Children, I hope you all have drawn in air. Now we are going to practice in salt. We are going to trace in salt. I hope you all have got salt tray. Now we will practice in salt. Yes. Children, you can see the salt tray. Yes, now ma'am is going to trace on salt. We are going to trace left slanting line. We are going to trace left slanting line from right top, from right
This way, this
top.
way, this way.
One second. Yes. Children, from left top to right bottom. From left top to right bottom. Children, I hope you are able to see this. From left top to right bottom. From left top to right bottom. Yes, children. Now we will practice in our notebook. I hope you all have got your notebook and pencil. Yes, children. Yes, now we practice in our notebook. Children, take your 4 lines note, write date, right?
Next.
Date. One second. Yes. Write today's date. Today's date is 10/7/2020. Today's date is 10/7/2020. And write the heading left slanting line. Left slanting line. Yes, children. And you all remember the four
Yeah,
lines
we have
name.
5 more minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Cherry line, and second line is skyline, third one is sea line, and fourth one is red chili line. Yes, now point your pencil on cherry line, on the cherry line, and draw a slanting line up to sea line from your left top to right bottom. Draw a slanting line from left top to right bottom. Left top, right bottom. I will write once again from left top. From left top, you have to point your pencil on cherry line. On cherry line, from left top to right bottom. From left top to right bottom, draw a slanting line, and you have to end up in skyline. From cherry line to skyline.
C
From
line.
cherry line to from cherry line to sea line. Third line. From cherry line to sea line. Children, you can finish the rest of your page and post it in our class WhatsApp group. Yes, children. Now we will move on to story. Jasmine ma'am, whether we can log in once again, ma'am.
Yes.
Whether we can
Suganya
log
ma'am.
off now.
Suganya ma'am. Suganya ma'am? Yes, shall I know how many more minutes are there?
3 more minutes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, dear ma'am. We'll have the recap of the story on Monday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
children.
ma'am.
You can unmute yourself. Thank you, Suganya ma'am. You can unmute yourself and you can see ma'am. One by one. You have 2 days holiday. Enjoy your